Welcome to the Chef's Market Picks channel. If you're a foodie or a health enthusiast, you're going to love today's topic.
We're diving into the amazing world of Bambara beans, a special seeds that's as nutritious as it is delicious.
Description/taste. Bambara beans are chickpea-sized seeds that ripen underground like peanuts. They grow in wrinkly brown pods that measure about 1.5 centimeters long and hold 1 or 2 beans each. These beans vary in color from black, dark brown, red, white, tan, cream, or a combination of these colors. They are typically round and smooth, but sometimes have a teardrop, flattened, or corn kernel-like shape. In their raw form, these beans are hard and dense. When cooked, Bambara beans are smooth on the outside with a slight crunch, while the inside becomes creamy and slightly starchy. Seasons availability: Bambara beans are available year-round. The plants can be harvested 4 months after sowing. The dried seeds can be kept indefinitely in a cool, dry place. Current facts. The botanical name for Bambara beans is Vigna subterranea, and they belong to the Fabaceae family. They are known to grow in unfavorable conditions and are drought-tolerant, which makes them a good choice for farmers in low-water areas with poor soil qualities. Bambara beans have several names throughout Africa, including earth pea, jugo bean, pois de terre, pois bambara, and Bambara groundnut. They are the third most commonly eaten legume in Africa, after groundnuts and cowpeas. These beans grow on a plant that can fix nitrogen from the air, making them a good companion for pumpkins and maize in crop rotations. The plant is a creeping, herbaceous, leafy annual with compound leaves comprised of 3 leaflets. After fertilization, pale yellow flowers form on freely branching stems. These stems then grow downwards into the soil, sending the developing seed into the ground and eventually forming the pods of Bambara beans. Nutritional value. The fiber in Bambara beans promotes digestive health by maintaining bowel regularity, preventing constipation, and reducing the risk of digestive disorders such as diverticulosis and IBS. These beans' fiber content also helps increase feelings of fullness and regulates blood sugar levels. Bambara beans provide the body with iron, crucial for red blood cell production, anemia prevention, energy levels, immune system support, and cognitive function. Their protein content supports muscle repair and growth, metabolic functions, hormone production, and immune defense. Bambara beans contain tannins, flavonoids, and phytic acids to reduce inflammation, neutralize free radicals, protect brain health, inhibit microbial growth, and enhance mineral absorption for bone health. Applications. Bambara beans can be eaten fresh, boiled, roasted, or fried. They are often eaten with maize and plantains, or ground into flour and used to prepare porridge. This flour is often selected as a thickener in soups or mixed into bread dough for added protein. Bambara beans may be transformed into plant-based milk, fermented to create a product similar to tempeh, or extracted for oil. While these beans are canned commercially in some African countries, most are purchased and eaten from local producers. Ethnic cultural info: Bambara beans are often considered the African counterpart to peanuts, a crop that arrived in Africa from Brazil 400 years ago and has proved very popular in both regions. Bambara beans have been a crucial crop in Africa because they are affordable to produce, yield a consistent annual harvest, and have repeatedly sustained populations during food shortages. Each year, about 330,000 tons of Bambara beans are produced within Africa, providing a reliable protein source and serving as a cash crop for many farming families to support themselves with. Despite the sustainable and nutritious nature of Bambara beans, they are still not as globally known as peanuts due to their lower protein content and less robust growth. Geography, history: Bambara beans originated from central Mali in West Africa. They spread across sub-Saharan Africa and are now cultivated in Nigeria, Ghana, northern Cameroon, Zimbabwe, Sri Lanka, India, Malaysia, the Philippines, and Thailand. They have a smaller presence in northern Australia and the tropical regions of North America, but are rarely grown in the United States. Bambara beans are produced in semi-arid climates with high temperatures, full sun exposure, and frequent rain. They grow wild in rainforests and highland areas, but are also cultivated on large-scale commercial farms and can be grown from seeds in gardens outside of their typical production regions. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the world of Bambara beans. From its rich history to its health benefits and delicious recipes, there's so much to love about this amazing vegetable. Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more food and health tips. If you enjoyed this video, check out my other videos on healthy and delicious foods. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.